Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the cscart Category Management Extension, a powerful tool that lets admins export or import category data in bulk or individually using CSV or TXT files. It's fast, flexible, and built for efficiency. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Click on the module and go to the Settings section. Here, enter your prefix as I have already done. Choose your export type, then click the Save button. Next, go to the Import Data section and click on Category. As there is one category template already, you can create multiple category templates by clicking on the plus icon. Fill in the category name, select the language, set the category delimiter, and choose the CSV delimiter. You can choose between semicolon, comma, or tab. Here, I am choosing semicolon. Check the box for status active, then click the Create button. Now, go to the Exported Items section. Here, you can add categories according to your preference. After that, move to the Field Mapping section. Choose the position field name and field type as it already appears, then click Add. Next, choose additional fields such as position, category name, and field type. In this way, you can create multiple templates. Once done, click the Save button. After creating the category template, click on the gear icon to download the categories as a file. A message will appear confirming that the data has been exported successfully. Then, go back to the Settings section and open the Import Data section again. Click on Category. Here, you can choose the category delimiter, CSV delimiter, and select the file you want to import. After selecting the file, click the Import button. A message will appear indicating that the data has been imported successfully. And that's the complete functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.